Alright guys, today we have a product that I've been wanting to try for quite some time. This is Templeton Tonics Odin. It's a wax cream. Firm hold, water-based. Definitely stays true to that firm hold, as we'll see here. Here you got the ingredients. Alright, and then we are in the Mythos scent, which is, yeah, very nice scent. Alrighty, so let's just open this up, let's do the breakdown. This is what it looks like, just like a regular paste. A little bit goes a long way here, so. So when it's breaking down, there's a little bit of tack left. It feels, yeah, I mean, it's quite sticky in the hands. Let's switch the camera. All right, we're gonna apply. I already pre-dampened the hair, basically. It's going in, not too tacky. It's going in just fine, damp hair. We are gonna blow dry this though. All right, going with this black comb first. First, I like to get the top part, and then we'll work on the sides. Alrighty, let's clean up the back here. Okay, and this side. Need a little more water for the back. Then let's get the little baby hairs out. Nice and up. Alrighty, so now we're just gonna hit it with the blow dryer and lock in that hole. All right, now that we're blow dried, you get just a natural finish, not too much volume. Hair is, you know, quite, I would say malleable, but it's definitely not hard. So your fingers still go through it. It's still gonna solidify over time, even though I just finished blow drying it. It's not completely dry, but yeah. So far, I just really like this product.